I wanna sing a song to you, a song that will bring glory to your name. But I don't know how to start, I can do it on my own. I need you, Lord, to help me out. Just put the words and music in my heart. Give me the wisdom and strength to get this done. You are my song, Lord, a perfect melody, a voice that's calling out on me and loves me endlessly. You are my song, Lord, I'll sing for eternity. Your grace and mercy covers me. Forever I will sing, my Lord, my song. You spoke to me in gentleness. You filled my life with perfect joy.